Hello, I am going to talk about the specialized cells that make up the circulatory system. Red blood cells are the most abundant type of cells in our blood. These cells have unique shape and design that make them efficient at their job. Cardiac muscle cells, on the other hand, make up the muscle tissues of the heart. These cells are highly specialized for endurance and synchronized contraction, allowing the heart to beat continuously throughout our life. Next, we have the endothelial cells, which line the inside of our blood vessels. These cells play crucial roles in maintaining blood flow, preventing clotting, allowing for the exchange of gases, nutrients, and waste between the blood and tissues. That's all for me. Thank you.
Next is structural specialization of each cell types. So there's three cell types here, which is red blood cell, cardiac, muscle cells, and endothelial cell. As for the red blood cells, it's a flexible biconcave disk that packs a nucleus and mitochondria at maturity. Meanwhile, cardiac muscle cells is branched cylindrical cell containing many mitochondria and specialized bridge connector, which can be called as intercalated disc. Meanwhile, meanwhile, endothelial cell is extremely thin, flat tile-like cell that fits together with others to form a single layered lining. So, how does this structure relate to their specific function? Well, for the red blood cells, its biconcave shape, lack of nucleus, maximizes the space available for hemoglobin to carry oxygen. Meanwhile, cardiac muscle cells, which have branched network and intercalated discs, allows the electrical impulse to travel instantly between cells, allowing heart to contract as one synchronized unit. And as for the endothelial cells, its ultra-thin and flat profile minimize distance of fusion or for fusion, which allow oxygen and nutrient pass to surrounding tissue faster.
Heart and vessels. The cardiac cells pump blood and endothelial cells sense pressure, releasing chemicals to widen the vessels so they don't burst. Heart and blood. The cardiac cells push the red blood cells forward, while the red blood cells provide oxygen the heart needs to keep pumping. Blood and vessels. The red blood cells squeeze against the endothelial cells, allowing oxygen to pass directly through the thin walls into the body. Next, how does cooperative relationship maintaining homeostasis? These three cell types cooperate by using the pumping force of cardiac cells to move oxygen-rich blood cells through the thin walls of endothelial cells, ensuring both parts of body receive constant nutrients and waste removal to keep the internal environment of body stable.
Now you can see the visual illustration of this interdependence between these cell types. In the illustration, it shows that the cardiac cell provides the physical push that required to move red blood cells, which in turn deliver the or carry oxygen to through the endothelial cells to reach all tissue to keep the body in balance, which means the cardiac muscle will push the red blood cells to transport oxygen through the blood vessel to deliver the oxygen across all parts of body tissues.